Welcome to our channel, where we help entrepreneurs and business owners like you grow their online presence. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize your website for lifetime web hosting, so you can save money and focus on what matters most, your business. Step 1. Choose the right hosting provider. The first step to optimizing your website for lifetime web hosting is to choose the right hosting provider. Look for a provider that offers a one-time payment option and guarantees lifetime hosting. Do your research, read reviews, and compare prices to find the best provider for your needs. Step 2. Optimize your website for speed. A fast website not only improves user experience but also helps with search engine optimization, SEO. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to analyze your website's speed and identify areas for improvement. Some tips for optimizing website speed include minimizing HTTP requests, compressing images, and using a content delivery network, CDN. Step 3. Secure your website. Security is crucial for any website, especially if you plan on keeping it for a lifetime. Install an SSL certificate to encrypt your website's data and protect it from hackers. Regularly update your website's software and plugins to avoid vulnerabilities. Step 4. Back up your website regularly. Even with the best hosting provider and security measures, accidents can happen. Regularly back up your website to ensure you don't lose any valuable data. You can use plugins like Updraft Plus or manually back up your website using FTP. Conclusion: optimizing your website for lifetime web hosting is a smart investment for any business owner. By choosing the right hosting provider, optimizing for speed and security, and regularly backing up your website, you can save money and focus on growing your business. We hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on growing your online presence. Arzhost, most reliable and affordable lifetime web hosting solutions for small and big businesses. For more info visit arzhost.com. Thank you for watching.